Welcome back to Mr. RamZland, and we are here today with our amazing fourth graders, and we're learning about how to use liquid nitrogen. And so I'm here with Giselle. Giselle, what are you going to do with that balloon?
We're going to be making dry ice by using liquid nitrogen.
You're going to make dry ice with liquid nitrogen? So what right on it? Wow, look at that. So there's liquid nitrogen in there. Okay, and what are you going to do with the balloon?
I'm going to put it in here, and then I'm going to lift it in there for quite a while, and it's going to get flat like a waffle. And then up here is going to be some ice.
Oh, so you're going to put the balloon into the liquid nitrogen, and we know there's carbon dioxide gas in the balloon that we exhale. And we know that carbon dioxide is negative 109 degrees Fahrenheit, but the liquid nitrogen is negative 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And so we know that the gas inside of the balloon is going to sublimate into a solid. What's that solid? What's it going to change into?
Ice.
It's going to change into dry ice, solid carbon dioxide. And I can see that you have a test tube hooked up to the end of it. What are we going to see in that test tube?
We're going to see dry ice, but you have to be very gently with the balloon and not press it down.
Okay.
Or twist it.
Okay, now I see as you lower the balloon is going to get smaller or bigger?
Smaller, like very flat.
And we know it's getting smaller because the gas inside of the balloon is turning into a solid. So the balloon's getting smaller and smaller. You're doing great. Just keep lowering it into the liquid nitrogen. Wow, Giselle, you are awesome. Keep lowering it in there. You're doing great. And that balloon is getting really, really small. It's condensing into a solid. Okay, now we're getting it flat as a pancake. Go ahead and lift it out, Giselle, and shake it down so that it goes into the test tube. You're doing it, y'all. You're doing great. Look inside that test tube. What is inside there? That's dry ice inside the test tube. And what's happening to the balloon? Is the balloon reinflating?
No, kinda, yes. No, it's holding it.
So we know that some of the gas that's from that dry ice in the test tube is evaporating back up into the balloon and inflating the balloon again. Look at that dry ice inside the test tube.
You can tell by the cold coming down from it.
Now, there wasn't anything in that test tube before, was there?
Nope.
Wow, Giselle made dry ice using liquid nitrogen. Way to go, Giselle.